What's up, guys? This is my Jato. It's a 3.3. Happened to I guess get a leak somewhere, and I tried fixing it, but ended up not being able to fix it. And I put it back together, and well, it didn't work. I guess I didn't connect something properly, and couldn't find any leaks either. So it's been sitting here for months now, and decided to take it apart and just record it on YouTube. So any comments or questions, just ask. So I guess I'm just gonna start taking this shit apart. I'm gonna clean everything too. I'm gonna use a different method for trying to find leaks. Found a video on YouTube. Might put the link up, even though it didn't really help me at all. Might help other people. Which was getting water and soap and a brush and just testing parts and blowing air through it. But that didn't work for me. Wish I had power tools. Make life so much simpler. Wouldn't have to lose fucking screws and shit and bolts. Now I'm thinking about getting a pull start instead of this fucking ease start. Lighten it up. Other modifications that I have are these red iodized turnbuckles. Doesn't really do anything, but looks pretty cool. I also have these RPM arms, and I would definitely recommend this for anybody with an RC car, not just a Jato. There's many different cars that they make it for, and trucks too. They're basically unbreakable. I broke my left front fucking around, and I decided to buy these, and so far they've held up pretty well. I like them a lot. Should get a new fucking Allen wrench. I was tightening the screws in the head, and I snapped a little tool that came with it. Sucks, but oh well. Make do with what you got.